Turbulence forecasting is very important. We are seeing around 500 million each year in direct costs to airlines, and those direct costs are things such as aircraft deviations, cancellations, injuries for crew, passengers, the aircraft receiving damage, the aircraft being out of service, etc. Around 65,000 flights each year experience moderate turbulence, and around 5,500 flights experience even severe turbulence. In those events, we see personal injuries, and 80% of those personal injuries are related to cabin crew. Cabin crew is usually on their feet during the climb and descent phase of flight, where we see some majority of the incidents on personal injuries. And in those cases, 30% of the crew did not have any warning about turbulence. It is projected that the cost of airframe inspections for North American airlines will be around 165 million by the year 2030. We are using a patented own algorithm that we run on top of the numerical weather models. It is in a high horizontal resolution. We use the 0.1 degree resolution, which comes to around 13 kilometers or around 8 nautical miles on a horizontal grid. We use 29 flight levels. We have data from ground up to flight level 300 on each 2,000 feet, and from flight level 300 to flight level 430 every 1,000 feet, and then we have 1 or 2 flight levels above. I think it's also very important to mention that we keep developing our turbulence forecasting models. TTN mostly sells their data through our partners in the flight planning, the flight tracking, and electronic flight bag industry. So we make sure that our data is compatible with their applications. This data is applicable in a flight planning phase. You can load this weather data in your flight planning. You can overlay it in your flight tracking tools. And of course, to get the data into the cockpit. And with the electronic flight bags coming online more and more, we are seeing the ability to update even in flight the latest turbulence forecasting.